cycling with alternative legs. Ready? Lips closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sitting position. Next counter asana, full flank. Sit in Vajrasanam. So no Parvatasanam, no Sarpasanam, in between slant pose, full flank. No upper curve, no lower curve, in between slant pose, full flank.